Hi beauties, yes, I'm definitely wearing scrubs right now because today I'm going to show you guys how I get ready for work in 30 minutes doing my makeup. I take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes to do my makeup for work. If you guys want to see me do my makeup in 20, 15, or even 5 minutes for work, let me know, leave a comment down below, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see how I got this look in 30 minutes for work, then just keep watching. I'm going to use sunscreen first, and for sunscreen I'm using the Supergoop SPF 40. I actually use this as a primer as well, that way I can skip that step and jump right into foundation. For foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Water Wear. Fresh wear? For foundation, I like to use something that is more affordable, that way, you know, I don't waste expensive products. And I'm just going to start blending that with a beauty blender. By the way, this one is in the shade Copper, I believe. Yeah. 515. Lately for concealer, I've been using the Infallible Full Wear Concealer. That kind of goes with this foundation, I guess. So I'm just going to apply this under my eye. To my forehead. Get the forehead, the chin. Again, I like to use more affordable products. I'm going to go under my brow real quick. And conceal right here. I like to conceal under my brows right away. I feel like it makes it a little quicker. Then we're going to blend that out. Since we have 30 minutes today, I'm going to do a little bit of nose contour. I'm going to use the RCMA powder to set under my eye. It's a clear powder, completely translucent. Translucent powder is something that does change based on the day. Like, I don't always use the same one for work. I just happen to be using this one this week. Does that all my forehead. Does that everywhere that I applied concealer. And then we're going to go in with my brow pencil. I just got the Brow Wiz, so I've been using that for this past week. I usually do a very light brow for work because it just, you know, it's quicker. How much time? Oh my gosh, I still have like 18 minutes. It's pretty cool. And then I brush that out like this. Nice brow. So the other side. I'm going to do a little bit of contouring with this Kat Von D contour powder. Just a little bit here. We got 15 minutes, y'all. We got 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes left. We're gonna snap. It's about to be 12 o'clock and I gotta wake up for work in 4 hours. I might just go to bed with this makeup. I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer. We're using the Guerlain bronzer. And we're just gonna you know, pack that on. I usually skip blush on most days for work because it's, you know, I don't want, you know, to have too much color going on my cheeks. So I'll just use a bronzer right over the contour. Just like that. Then I'm going to do mascara. We're going to use the new CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. It's pretty good. I like it. Lately, I've been using this CoverGirl Full Spectrum Trio palette to apply highlight. I do use this blush, but mostly on the weekends. But I'm going to use this highlight right here in the palette to just put in the inner corner. Just open up my eyes a bit and also on my nose. We even got time for the lips today. You know? Next, I'm going to line my lips with this MAC pencil in Chestnut. I like using a little bit of color on the lips, nothing too bright, but definitely a little hint of color. So this week I have been using the Laura Mercier Soiree Velour lipstick, lip matte velour lipstick. I'm going to add a little of this Smashbox gloss. I don't always use gloss, but sometimes I do. Just in the center. And then because we have 8 minutes left on the clock, I'm going to throw on some lashes. I don't always do this, like probably 3 times a year I wear lashes, and usually like near my birthday. But today we have time, so we're gonna pop them on. These are very, very natural. You probably won't even be able to tell that I'm wearing lashes when I put them on. So let that dry. Okay, so this is lash number uno. You see how natural these look? Like, they look like they're like my lashes, you know? We still have 5 minutes, you guys, so we're gonna pop the other one. Lashes are on, and I still have 4 minutes. So what I would do at that time is add a little bit of color to my lower lash line. I'm actually going to add a little bit of this nude liner to my lower lash line. And that's going to make me look a lot more awake than I actually am. There you have it. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit more mascara. Lastly, I'm going to spray my face. I'm using my Estee Lauder Set and Refresh makeup spray. Just choose your favorite makeup spray, I guess. I think this is an accurate representation of my hair at work because I just don't have it down. I have it up in like some weird bun, like not really type of situation. So that's the completed look. It is actually 28 minutes and I spent a lot of that time like talking and stuff, so it actually was less than 30 minutes of me getting ready for work. So if you have 30 minutes, you could definitely achieve this look or similar, and you can slay the day. If you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below how long it takes you to get ready in the morning, how much time you have. I would like to do a work series for like maybe 3 other videos. One for 15 minutes, one for 10 minutes, one for maybe 20 or 5 minutes. So let me know how long it takes you to get ready for work so I can sneak in one of those videos next week. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!